error in Far Far West. Check how to fix fatal error, Far Far West. Step 1. Restart your system. Close the game completely. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. Step 2. Run game as administrator. Right-click game icon. Click Run as administrator. Check if error is fixed. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, Epic, etc. Go to Library Game Properties. Click Verify integrity of files. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Open GPU software, NVIDIA AMD. Check for updates. Install latest driver. Step 5. Disable background apps. Close apps like Discord, Chrome, overlay apps. Use Task Manager to end tasks. Step 6. Turn off antivirus temporarily. Disable antivirus Windows Defender. Add game folder to exceptions. Step 7. Reinstall Visual C++ and DirectX. Install latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. DirectX. Restart PC after install. Step 8. Check game requirements. Make sure your PC meets RAM, GPU, storage. Low specs can cause fatal error. Step 9. Reinstall the game. Uninstall completely. Delete leftover game folder. Install fresh copy. Step 10. Check for Windows updates. Open Settings, Update,